Most of the time, it assists in tasks that involve excavation in quarries, construction, tunneling, demolition, mining, and even underwater work. Maintenance isn't a problem for this machine too, since it's made up of
Welcome to
anti-wear
GiantMachine
steel,
YouTube channel.
meaning this can be used underwater or in any terrain without worrying about getting it damaged. To top it all off, this also emits less noise compared to other digging tools. These steel coils are important components of machines and other materials, that's why demands for them are high too. Fortunately, this machine is competent enough to meet these needs thanks to its lifting capacity of 36 tons. It's also impressive how this can carry 2 steel coils in one go. If you need to lift them up, this machine can also lift it up to 24 meters high. However, that isn't the only good thing about it, since it also has a better fuel economy than other cranes. Plus, safe and accurate operations are also promised thanks to its safety system, LANS. This rock picker attachment, from a Digital Man, is capable of doing such and at the same time assisting operators who fear that their agricultural tools might get damaged by collision. This operates by first lifting all the small or large stones from the ground. As you can see on the video, it does it easily and flawlessly. Once that's done, the machine places the stones into its bucket for further processing. It also has a net responsible for sifting dust that gets collected too. Pricing, productivity, and quality. It's also amazingly robust and low wear. Depending on what you need, this is available in different sizes, but it's usually based on whether you'll mount it on a forwarder, chipping machine, excavator, or other carrier vehicles. With its immense power and state-of-the-art splitter, it can split thick trunks in an attempt